Teaching is relationship. You're not a teacher because of the subject that you teach. I'm a teacher because I have the capacity to illuminate the mind, inspire change, and transform generations.
But do you think teachers get their flowers?
We don't get the recognition that we deserve. The truth is, the teaching profession has become the last resort. People will normally advise you, why don't you go and teach? At least have something to hold body in quotes. So let's even say that the out-of-school children are back to the class. Where are the teachers that will teach them? Somebody who is not a doctor can never be a minister of health, all right? But when it comes to minister of education, commissioner for education, they give us anybody. It is who wears the shoe that knows where it pinches. How does a teacher survive with 30,000 naira in 2025?